My name is Jamie with the BankCard Group. This is Derek. I want to talk about something, right here, this cell phone, right? So there's something that we're releasing in a very short time frame, if we haven't already released it by the time you're watching this video, and that's the BCG app. And on that BCG app, what is that BCG app, Derek?
Well, the BCG app was actually designed by one of our former salespeople, who's now one of our IT people, and it's an application that's built to help you as a salesperson in the field. It's got important phone numbers in it that with the one touch you can dial those numbers, but it's got also links to some of our documentation and our paperwork and information like that. The nice thing about the BCG app is where I see it going is an assistant, so to speak, to you as a salesperson in the field that connects us here at the corporate office, that allows us to communicate with you, to tell you the different promotions that are going on, and the different things that maybe you should be focused on while you're out there in the field.
Awesome. So to recap, basically this is an app that, I'm looking at the app right now. It has About Us, has all of our contacts. It has our company Facebook page, Twitter, Contact Us, our website, the Sales Agent Login, where you can get paperwork, applications, the Training Center, Document Center. It's basically got everything you need. That I can log in here and open the application and actually have the merchant sign on the phone.
That's correct. We're working on that to become a little more easy of a use. You have the capability now. It's just tough to understand it sometimes, and it takes certain type of equipment to do it. Not everybody has the software downloaded that they can do that, but that's coming real soon. And by the time you watch this video, we may have it all in release. If that takes place, think about how easy that's going to be, Jamie.
I wish I didn't have technology. Like I said, when I was
sometimes I don't even have the paperwork with me.
Right. All right. So log on to thebankcardgroup.com. Watch the video on how to load this app on your cell phone. Go through the tutorial. This is a really kick-butt product you need to get familiar with and use out in the field. It's something that I wish I had, and I know it's something that you wish you had.
I think it's going to take those people who are successful selling 10, 12, 15 deals a month, and it's going to give them the ability to sell 20, 25 deals a month because it's going to take less time to operate.
Awesome. Thanks again. Log on. Download it.